Hey friends, today we are going to talk about how to make money on meme coin, avoiding a lot of mistakes that our beginner often make. Meme coin trading can be very profitable, but you need to know how to choose the right moment. So let's figure out how to do it. What are meme coin? Cryptocurrencies that start life as a ZAC but you are bring has profit. Meme coin can be unpredictable in the beginning, but if you know what to do and what to do it, you get a good result. But it's not the simple. Everything look attractive, meme coins up 500%, but in fact there is a serious analysis behind it and choosing right meme coin in the real game. Even expensive trading can also find it difficult to predict which meme coin is too short up, which will turn out to be a bubble. Why are meme coin are difficult to choose? Because of high volatility and unpredictable of their exchange rate. What to do? It's up to you. If you are willing to spend days doing research, go to it. But if you want to work smart, there an option tell you about. So here the situations. Why waste time are analyzing meme coin on the oven when you have a professional team with the does it all of you. They give you free signals that based on deep analysis and experience. A signal is opportunity to act without thinking about possible risk. Signal are recommendation on the meme coin to buy or sell at a particular point in time based on analysis by professionals. With the help of this signal, I will personally been able to dramatically improve my trading result. Here how it works. You get a notification that meme coin X has good chance to firing. You don't waste the time researching your act right away, and best of all, these signals are free. Benefit of subscription: free signals, strategy for beginner and experienced traders, daily cryptocurrency making analysis. Listen friends, here the problem. A lot of newbies try to track meme coin at randomly. They study in chart themselves, read formats and hope they can guess which meme coin will stool up. There are the what happened. Risk of independent trading: loss due to sharp price drop, stress and fluctuation, wrong decisions due to lack of experience. And you know what the worst part is? You can easily lose everything. Meme coin are knowing the incredible volatility. There can off a matter of the hour but crash as quickly. Without the right tools and support, you could be among those who have lost everything trying to catch this luck. It's not a game, it's a risk. How to avoid losses? Use proven signal for professionals. Trust analytic over institution. I went through this myself when I was start out. You think you know everything and start trading by oven? You end a loss of money, getting nervous. This is not a path roast going down. It's a really playing with fire. Now imagine that you are receive signals from professionals who analyze the market in advance and choose only the meme coin that can really big profit. It's not institution, it's a statics and experience. You will no longer that have feeling of uncertainty and fear because you know exactly what step to take. This is only right way to avoid losses and keep earning. That's the secret. Meme coin trading does not have been complicated and straightful. If you have not team a professional doing everything for you, it's easy to succeed. The signals I get allow me focus on the important thing without wearing every trade. If a time saving and profitable approach. Benefit of trade with signals: it's time saving, minimum stress and few mistakes and losses. So if you want to learn how to choose the right meme coin and trade without too much worry, join me. And don't forget, the read the success start with the right decision. Congratulations on making it. It's the end of video. You are already among those who are striving of success. If you want to go more deeper, then join my Telegram channel. I share additional material and daily trading insights there. The link in the description below the video. Join the Telegram channel. Get signal, strategies and analytics all for free.